Okay, hey you guys. So I know it has been a minute since I have posted a video, let alone a cooking video, you guys. It's hot, so sister looks all kind of flush. My hair is not combed, but I was like, you know what, whatever, because if I keep worrying about all of that, y'all, I'm never gonna post any videos. I'll be trying to do the whole production and everything, do the makeup, and I don't have time for all that every day. I don't. Especially trying to post videos. So this your girl, right? This your girl. So today we are going to be making, or I'm going to teach you guys how to make homemade coleslaw. Okay, it's perfect for the winter time. Let me see if I can get some light up in here, you guys. It's winter time. Lord have mercy. It's perfect for the summertime. It's a nice little addition to a barbecue. So, you know, potato salads and baked beans, coleslaw. Not a lot of people make coleslaw. Believe it or not, not a lot of people know how to make coleslaw. So I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade coleslaw. I bought this from my local store. Okay. It's just, let me bring it up close for you guys. It's just a brand of coleslaw in a bag. Okay. So it has shredded cabbage and carrots in there. And it literally says coleslaw in the bag. But you're going to have to make your own sauce or dressing or whatever it's called. It is in there. So don't mind me. It's 100 degrees outside today. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. So you're going to use real mayo. All right. And you're going to have some white vinegar, distilled white vinegar. And then, of course, we have some sugar. And then there's Mr. Caleb over here. Say hi, Bubba. They used to seeing you all the time. It's time for Mama to get back on the camera now. Where are you going? And what are you doing? Y'all see what I got to deal with? This little boy right here. And yes, that's my broom. That's the broom he took out of the closet, sweeping. Okay, Caleb. Don't mind the background noise. Yeah. He's here, you guys. He's he's here and he is loud, okay? He is loud. So I'm gonna try to record this with Caleb over here bugging, screaming, hollering, and everything else that he does, okay? So these are the ingredients. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see the ingredients, and then we're gonna mix this bad boy up. Okay, so Miss Zoe's over here asking for some raisins. Go ahead, Zoe, you can have those. All right, so these are the, hold on, okay, Warren, these are the, wait, baby, do y'all see me trying to record a video right now? Here, you get your raisins. Okay, you got the bag of coleslaw, mayonnaise, distilled vinegar, and sugar. Those are your ingredients. And then raisins, those are optional if you want to have raisins in your coleslaw. I'm old school Southern, grew up with raisins in my coleslaw. Yes. What do you want? We recording right now. What do you want? I can't pick you up right now, Papa. I'm busy. Okay, so what you're gonna do, your first ingredients is you're gonna take mayonnaise in a bowl, and I put vinegar in the bowl, and we're gonna add sugar. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me see what he wants. Okay, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to talk over him. Hold on, you guys. All right, so I just poured the sugar into the mixture of the mayonnaise and the distilled vinegar, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and stir this off camera, and that's basically the ingredients. You have the vinegar, the mayonnaise, distilled vinegar, sugar, mixed in a bowl. That's gonna make the cream sauce. I don't know what the heck they call it, but you got the bag of coleslaw. You're gonna put that into a bowl. You're gonna add your raisins, and then you're gonna mix all of these ingredients up, put it in the bowl, mix it all together. Then you're gonna want to put it in the refrigerator, let it cool for about an hour, and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing up, you guys. Okay, so then now you're gonna take raisins, and I am going to just sprinkle them in there, okay? And how much you use is completely up to you. You can use a little, you can use a lot. I'm going to use what my kids left me with, 3 boxes. Out of the 6-pack I got from the store, they left me with 3 boxes. So there's the coleslaw. I mean, the coleslaw, which is shredded lettuce, shredded cabbage, and carrots. Don't mind me, y'all. Believe it or not, I'm trying to hurry because Mr. Caleb is banging on the door to be set free. He's in the room in there with his siblings. Now, what you saw me do was add a little sugar, okay? You do want to taste it to see if it's the flavor you like, and yes, that's what I'm going for. So you saw me add a little bit more sugar to the ingredients to make sure that you don't want to have a lot of mayonnaise and you don't want to have a lot of vinegar, okay? That does not taste good. You want to have, it needs to taste like a nice even mix of all of the ingredients. Not too much vinegar, not too much mayonnaise, and no, you guys, I did not measure measuring cups or anything. Forgive me, but as you see, I'm pressed for time with a 1-year-old here bugging every 5 seconds. All right, so then you're just going to mix it in there together like this, like so, making sure you cover all of the cabbage. All the coleslaw mixture. Now, I will tell you, this extra bag of coleslaw over here is not extra, honey. I actually have another one inside of the refrigerator. I will be using that because once you put it in the refrigerator, the juice is going to, form at the bottom of the bowl. It will not be as thick. The mayonnaise is kind of thickening it right now, but it will not be as thick. It will become loose. It will become kind of watery. So you will want to add more coleslaw to that. Now, I do that later, not right now. I don't put it all in there right now. I'm going to add it in there because also the coleslaw is going to shrink a bit as well. So as it shrinks and as the mayonnaise and the ingredients begin to become a little bit loose in there, you'll want to add coleslaw to your mixture as it goes, okay? And again, that's optional but that's just a little trick that I do to kind of stretch it so that I also have leftovers, some for tomorrow and whatnot. But anyway, this is what it looks like, you guys. So this is the coleslaw mixture, the raisins and everything in there. And I will show you guys, I'll try to come back on camera and show you guys how it looks after it's been sitting a while. Now, I can add another bag of coleslaw right now to it, or actually I'll just add some just for the hay of it. So just gonna add about that much right there, and then we'll come back and add some more again, as I was telling you guys. So you just put that in there and you just mix it around, okay? You do want to make sure you have enough of the sauce into the, y'all forgive me, I'm trying to hold this camera and stir. You want to make sure you have enough of the sauce. Make enough of the sauce. If you don't have enough sauce, go ahead and whip up another bowl, honey. Add some more mayonnaise in there, some more vinegar and sugar, stir it up, and then add more in here to your coleslaw so that all the coleslaw is mixed in well and the sauce is covering everything, okay? So as you can see, it's like at the bottom down there. I gotta mix it in, bring it from the bottom, bring it to the top, cover everything. Okay, so that's all. That's how you make the coleslaw. And again, like I said, we're gonna just cover it with some aluminum foil, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it cool, let it sit for about an hour. I'll come back, show you guys what it looks like. If we need to add more coleslaw, we're gonna add more coleslaw, okay? Okay, you guys, so I'm back, and the coleslaw has been sitting in the refrigerator for about an hour or so. So this is, I wanted to show you before I stirred anything, I wanted to show you the juice See how the cabbage leaves have kind of shrunk and gotten a little bit withered, and there is still a lot of juice in there that I can add some more coleslaw to the mixture. Okay, and then you know, give us a little bit more coleslaw there. So if you want leftovers, or if you're trying to feed a lot of people or whatnot, now that some of the cabbage have, you know, shrunk. Sorry about the language here. Some of it has shrunken. Now I'm playing with y'all. So now I'm going to go ahead and just add some more coleslaw leaves. Lord have mercy. If you're wondering what the noise is, Caleb. Hi, honey. You and Daddy's tools? Yeah, you got Daddy's nails? Oh, this little guy is a handful. Dad's here to come to the rescue. Say hi, honey.
Hi.
He's also trying to get in the coleslaw. You can't eat that right now.
It's not ready?
Well, the bottom is, but I'm adding some more.
Adding just some more?
Yeah, that's great. Babe is tasting the coleslaw. You want to tell him how it tastes?
Delicious.
Oh, you gonna get some more?
Coleslaw burger.
Oh my gosh. You finna put coleslaw on that?
Mm-hmm.
I have seen it on hot dogs, but hamburgers?
Oh, yeah.
All right, you guys, so there you have it. You can add coleslaw to your hamburgers, your hot dogs, your bratwurst. It's the perfect extra to
Mm-hmm.
to any barbecue, and that burger has come from Dairy Queen.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, let me finish this. Can you get your ice cream spoon out of my coleslaw? Oh my
You
gosh.
get a little bit more.
Oh my gosh.
Let me go a little bit more.
I'm gonna need you to get
I
out.
need a fork.
You need to get out of
The
my
spoon too
coleslaw
little.
bowl. Out of here. All right. So once you stir it all in, go add a little bit more coleslaw. You will need extras if you have a greedy husband like I do. You will need extras. So just add more coleslaw, mix it all in there again, and then put it back in the refrigerator for cooling. And that is all. That is how you make coleslaw. I'd say homemade coleslaw. But we didn't shred the cabbage or the carrots, but that's all good. But this is how you make coleslaw. Caleb, I am busy right now. Do you want to back up? Right, I cannot pick you up. What do you need? Honey, yeah, I do. Okay, you guys. All right, you guys. So that is how you make coleslaw. I am going to get this little child of mine. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are new and just now visiting us. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video.